Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of The Engineering Guy. Part of my channel is going to be dedicated to working on this POS Camaro. Okay, so for the goals on my POS Camaro, it is not going to be an original restoration. I have no desire to try to make it a numbers matching car and use all the exact same fasteners that was used by Chevy back in the day, anything of that nature. I want to rebuild this thing to where it fits my wants and needs. So I'm going to be doing a lot of customization to it and improvements over what the original was. I want to change the stance of it versus the OEM style. I want to improve brakes, improved engine, transmission, you name it. Of course, I'm also doing it all on a budget. And so my goal is to have a cool car without breaking the bank and having fun while working on it. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done. I still need to finish up the body work on the engine, the transmission, suspension, brakes, interior. Anyway, there's going to be a lot of cool projects that are going to arise from this, and hopefully you'll subscribe and join me as I go on this crazy journey to get this damn thing running again. And so it won't be a POS Camaro. It will be something fun to drive and hopefully good to look at.